Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!